A whole house water softener can completely change the quality of your water in your home. Today we are taking a look at a water softener because the customer states that there is a strong taste of salt in their water. The first thing we are going to do is install shutoff valves. This is just so if this customer ever comes across this issue again, she is able to shut off the water from going through the water softener and just have access to the city water directly. This is what we're working with. He starts by cutting into the original pipes. The next step is the reconstruction of the pipes to incorporate the shutoff valves. Make sure to tighten all the pipe joints. The next step is to make sure that the venturi valve is clean. You can do this by using some warm water and a toothbrush. Disassembling it and reassembling it can be done in just a few simple steps. The last step is to use a water softener cleaner. Only pour the amount that is directed into your water softener. You can pour this into a cup and then pour this directly into your brine well. And the project is finished. The last thing you have to worry about is regenerating your water softener. And before you go, let me give you some helpful tips on how to correctly maintain your water softener. These include things such as cleaning the resin bed with a water softener cleaner every few months. Cleaning the venturi valve. This can get clogged with sand, sediment, and dirt, so a clean valve is crucial to the softener being able to work properly. Be selective with your salt choice. Rock salt, which is the least expensive, contains higher levels of insoluble minerals. You're better off choosing solar salt or evaporated salt to expand the efficiency of your softener.